Hey guys, I'm here for another shoe unboxing, but this time I wanted to do things a little bit different. I kind of wanted to try doing an unboxing video of me talking, because usually my unboxing videos is quiet with some music and I just write subtitles of the details. This time I wanted to try doing a live unboxing and just me talking about my first impressions. I think I will do like a quick try on and tell you guys how it feels and just go from there. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys prefer me talking, doing the unboxing videos, or if you guys just enjoy the quick, quiet videos with a bit of music with the details. I'm just experimenting right now, guys. So let's just get into it. Let's pull for sport, it says. So let's pull the tab. You know what? Oh my gosh, I'm going through with the unboxing. I'm not even saying what shoe this is. So my husband got me these pair of shoes, and I'm pretty sure they are the Nike Huarache shoes. Sorry, yeah, they are the Nike Air Huarache. I hope I'm saying that right, and I'm pretty sure that it's the white with the pink that I ended up getting. So let's open it up, guys. Ooh. I have never owned the Nike Huarache, so I'm wondering what it will look like and what the box will look like. I don't know why they keep on sending the shoes upside down. So this is what the box looks like. The shoe size I got was 7.5. I usually take 7 or 7.5, but 7.5 makes it so there's a little bit more comfort for me. It depends on like how tight I want the shoe or the availability of the shoe. Like I will do 7 if I absolutely have to. So this is a really sleek, blank looking box, except for the reflective stripes, gray stripes it looks like. But yeah, really basic Nike Air. Just looks like a plain red box from here. And yeah, it says Nike Air Huarache sail light bone. That's the color I guess. Like, so I guess it's not pink, but it's light bone is what I got. So 7.5 women's. So let's just open up the box. What's the box say? Nike sports shoes are manufactured to the exact specification of champion athletes throughout the world, apparently. Oh, that's actually really cool. The tissue paper is actually patterned saying limited edition Air Huarache, limited edition. It says Nike International. That's actually really cool. Usually all the shoes I've bought so far just is white. It's just the white paper, but this has a really cool design. I really like that. That's neat. Okay, so let's open up the shoe. So let's get this. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Yes, these are like really pale neutrals. This looks so much better in person too. Has like silk looking fabric. I just think Nike is killing it with like all the cool shoes they've been coming out with have all these layers and textures to them. It is so much fun and I cannot wait. Okay, I want to kind of sit back down and take a look at these beauties. Let's kind of see if I can get the camera view where we can kind of see and talk more about it. Let's see. Okay, is that kind of, it cuts my head off a little bit, but oh, here. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So, yeah, let's take a look at these guys. Oh my gosh. Like I said about all the layers, like look at that. The texture, the layers, it just looks very futuristic, and it's straying away from the shoe from a few, from 10 years ago. They really upped the way the shoes are looking. The design and the art of the shoe, it's like very architectural and artistic to me, and I'm an artist myself, so when I see shoes like these, it just really excites me. I just really love all the colors. It reminds me of like what a science fiction character would maybe wear, you know what I mean? But I love all the tones of white and cream and like neutral steel and gray and green. To me, it's like a greeny gray. And then it has this like pale pink ankle strap that says Nike. And the soles kind of look like Air Jordans a bit to me, the sides of this. But this is actually looks like a very slim looking tennis shoe. Kind of has like an 80s vibe to me as well. But yes. So the tongue also has that same, has a different logo and kind of has the same as this tissue paper here on here. I don't really know much about the Huarache. I'm actually gonna have to look more up on that, but I just know that I love the look of the shoe. So I don't know much details about that. I'll probably put it in the description down below of information about the shoe. So tissue paper is still in the shoe, so I'm going to, I've only been holding one shoe. So these are the shoes. Just right off the bat, I can see that they are a thinner shoe, like I said. They kind of remind me of also ballet slippers for some reason. There's like a delicateness to these shoes, but also a really cool scientific, science fiction, architectural vibe. Many vibes going on with this shoe. They're pretty lightweight, but substantial feeling. Yeah, I just want to try these on and see what they feel like. So hold on one second, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna untie these shoes here and kind of give them a little try. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the inside of the shoe, so I will do that as well. It looks like the sole is also a removable sole, but it has that neat Nike International sticker inside, and kind of like the same on the tissue paper. And yeah, the inside also has that satiny fabric as well inside. So let's try these on. Ugh. Oh, these are weird. They're like, I've never owned like stretchy weird shoes. Mine are just usually classic sneakers. Whoa. So first thing I'm noticing, see, I'm kind of wearing crew socks today. I'm not wearing lightweight socks, but yeah, so this is these are 7.5, and I can right away feel like this is a really tight fit shoe. I'll have to wear them around and see what they are like. I have a very thin foot, so let's see. People that have wide feet might have a bit of an issue with these shoes. All right, so I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see the shoe. Okay guys, I've had like a minute here to adjust to these shoes. I think I'm just not used to a tighter fit of a shoe, but these actually are comfortable. So yeah guys, I've had like a minute to adjust to these shoes. Like first when you put them on, it is a very close fit. You're like, whoa, this is like tight on there, you know? But I feel like that's the purpose of the shoe. It's supposed to be a close fitting shoe. Like I said though, I would be wondering how people with wider feet would feel with these shoes. But I can see these feeling really well for running and walking because of the close fit of the shoe. You'd feel very comfortable. I can feel like supports right here all right. You can see like the thinness in the satiny material. Like I can see the outline of my toes. It's a bit different to have that thin of a shoe, but I think that's meant for it to be like that. I would worry about this getting dirty though, so because of how thin it is. Yeah, I think I'll have to take a walk with these shoes and kind of see how they fare outside, I guess. But they actually do feel comfortable now that I've gotten over that they fit like socks. I think that's what I mean by tightness, is they fit like a tight sock kind of, but it's a shoe. If that makes any sense to you guys, I hope it does. But it's not, it doesn't have a traditional feeling of what a sneaker would feel like, if you get what I mean. But actually guys, these are really comfortable. So this is the backs. Oh, I didn't show this is what the bottoms look like, as the waffle sole. Side, fronts. Yeah, so I keep thinking that each time I'm gonna do this unboxing video, oh yeah, this one will be where I am disappointed in a shoe, or it's gonna fit crappy and I'm gonna have to tell you guys that I don't recommend this shoe. But so far, it's a really interesting experience and I'm feeling comfortable. It's just interesting to feel the sock-like shoe, I guess you would say, when you're putting it on. I think it's because the tongue of the shoe is part of the shoe. Like, you know, traditionally the tongue is cut and you can open it and you really put your foot in. But with this, the tongue is part of the whole shoe and it's like a sock. I probably sound ridiculous because I don't know like tons about shoes. I just know that I like Nikes and I love to do these unboxing videos. And yeah, so the sides of the shoes too, like they have this like strange foam feeling. I wonder what that's gonna be like outside. And right now my weather is winter weather, so I don't know how that's gonna be. And Canadians, we don't wear shoes in the house. So yeah, anyways, that is my unboxing video. Maybe I'll just take them off quick. Oh, they come off super quickly actually. Fun shoe. I think they'll be fun to take uptown and go for my walks when the weather is better and when it's not a rainy day. I cannot see myself wearing these on a rainy day because they look like they could get wrecked quite easily. I am in love with these shoes. The color, the design of them, the feel of them is interesting and fun and comfortable. So I would recommend these shoes if all those things apply to you and that you like. And also, like I said though, I would be leery of wide feet people, but I'm not sure if like with the shoe size going up, if that would be a problem. I know my husband, he has wide feet and I don't think that he would enjoy this type of shoe. So I hope that was helpful for you guys today to do this Nike Huarache shoe unboxing. So yeah, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is the first time I've done the Nike unboxing with me talking through it. Let me know if you guys enjoy this format or the no talking format better. I really want to know your guys' thoughts on this because I want to make more videos that you guys will enjoy to watch. So without further ado, that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this, please subscribe. I do like an eclectic amount of content. Whatever I feel like doing, I just do the content type of thing. Yes, so like this video if you found it helpful. Let me know what you guys think of the Nike Huaraches. Any more information you guys know about them that I should know. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. See you later.